Okay, I'm going to use these sticks. Yep, I hope I am. that way, at least one of them. So I can get it done. Comes with 2 bottles of glue, as you can see. Okay. Comes with this pretty little thing here to help you put the nail oil on. Set this over here out of the way. I'm going to set these over here out of the way. And I'm going to use this bottle. I'll put that there. Now, I'm going to have one of them days where nothing lays where I want it to lay. Okay, I'm going to put on a thin coat on this nail. Very thin coat of nail oil glue. I'm wiping it to make sure I get most of it off too. Now, let's cure it. Give it about a minute to cure. While it's curing, let's see what we got here in foils. Got a whole bunch of foils to choose from, kids. Girls, ladies. There's a pretty gold one. Red one. That's pretty gold. I'm just going to turn them over like this. Silver. Purple. Silver and green. Oh man. Watch me get all different ways here. Getting them curled, which I don't need to do. I'm just trying to pick out what would be pretty. A simple, pretty one that, you know, would look good on that. Any of them would look good on it. I love the flowers and stuff they've got in here. Different kinds of flowers. Well, that's a thick one. It's got animal prints and solids. A whole bunch of solids. Let's see. Let's try one of these little solids. I'm going to try the pink one. That way. I can put these back in here. There's quite a few of them, I'll tell you that. I'm putting these back in here so I don't lose them. Don't make a mess of them either. Until I can store them. Oh, come on. Open. There. Put them back down in there so they don't get lost or tore up. I'm going to get a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut a little piece off of this so I don't mess that up either. That should be dry by now. Okay. And it is. Okay. So now, I'm going to take this, lay it over it. I'm going to use this thing they gave me to take and smooth it out. And hope I do it right. If it screws up, it ain't their fault, it's mine, because I don't play with foils very often. I've never had much of a luck with them. But I love them. I love the way they look. Oh my God, they are gorgeous when you do them right. But just never had much luck with them, so let's hope and pray. Well, that's my fault. See if I can get that to take and go back on there. As you can see, I don't do it very good. It's not the glue fault. It's not anything to do with the foil fault or nothing. It's just me. I'm not much of a foil person, but I'm trying. I think it works good myself. It does better than any of the other things I've ever tried. So let's get a little more on this one and see if I can do any better on this one. Because I did boo-boo. You know how that goes. It's my fault, not the nail fault. Not Burano's. Let's see. Okay. We'll give it some more time and see how it goes. Another minute. We'll see how this works. So how your all's week going? Hopefully good. Get another little piece. That way I don't make a mess of all of it. That way I'm going to use it for something else later. Oh my God. This cold's going to kill me, girls. It's allergy season. You know how that goes. Allergy season's never fun. Never, never, never. So, that should be about ready. I'm hoping. Okay. I'm going to use my finger this time. I might have better luck that way. Because me and them things just don't work out that well. So we'll try it this way. I know it's my fault. Because I'm not. Like I said, I'm not much for foils, but I'm trying. Yeah, it's all me, guys. I'm not good with foils. We know that. How many times have I screwed up foils before? But yeah, I think it does good. It's just me, I think, because the first one did a lot better. As you can see, this still ain't that bad, you know. So I would say it works. It's just the user is having a problem. So yeah, it works great if you got, you know, doing it right. But I can try it one more time to see if I can come out with using a base coat and all that good stuff and see what we do. Okay? So I'm going to use Burano base coat. I gave this the other day by a friend. And she's real sweet. Her name's Bubblegum Nails. And she's on YouTube and on Instagram. Okay, let me take and dry this real good. And then I'll try a little more glue. But yeah, I think it's my fault. Because this one turned out pretty dang good considering I missed a few places on it. So we'll put it there. And we'll see what happens next. When this glue, the top base coat dries, I will put on some top coat. Now, not top coat, but glue. Okay, now this is the glue. You probably hear the kids in the background too. I'm trying to get it uneven and all over it. Okay. Now let's give it some time. We'll try it again, kids. I know I'm doing something wrong myself. This worked out pretty good for other people. And I know it's got good reason. But I will try it one more time. I like this little thing they sent me. It can be used for pushing the oil down and all that good stuff. It does pretty good. Yeah. So, one more try. Let it dry just a second. It should be done in a minute or so. I had an accident here with this other stuff the other day. Let's see now. Oh, I'm getting beat. See what that is real fast. Oh, it's nothing important. And now I didn't go all the way to the top that time. It's okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Looks like it's doing pretty dang good. And remember, this is really basically my first time playing with this. Because I just got it, and just got it out of the box. And we're trying to see what happens here. Okay. Okay, let's rub over this a little more. Yeah, it's me. I'm not doing something right myself, but I can say that this works pretty dang good. Especially if you get used to it. I have to work with it a few days, see what I'm doing wrong, but I know it's me. Because I've always had problems with foil. I even had one foil that didn't want to even come off the package. And I found out that it was just a little tight. This is a good thing though. You can go back over it and put it on here again. Yeah, still sticky. You can see where it's picking up. Down there where it ain't picking up is where I didn't get it good. But yeah, it's picking up good. And it's sitting on it. And that has to be me, the way I'm putting it on. Because it's picking up good and it's doing better. It did a lot better there. Okay, so in all honesty, yeah, it is a good product. It does good, works good. It's just that I'm not used to using foils, and the more I do with foils, the better it's going to get. So, yeah, I would give it a thumbs up, and I'm definitely going to keep using it, because it ain't their fault that I can't use it right. It's mine. I've got to learn how to do it, and hopefully I'll learn more how to do it. I've not fooled with foils much, but I was asked to do this review, so I'm trying it, and I think it turned out pretty dang good for my first try. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.